Saw some street flooding today. You got to look at these pictures. This is on the West Bank around Ames and the Palco Boulevards around 9 o'clock this morning. Maria Ingram sent in these pictures to WDSU. We certainly appreciate that. In the pictures here, you can see some drivers pushing through the waters while trying to get to their destination, but that is not recommended at all. Emergency leaders ask you not to drive through flooded waters if you can avoid it. Also at a JP, check this scene out from Marrero. This was sent to us by one of our viewers named John. John, thank you. You can see some of the neighborhood flooding. This is Cypress Lawn Drive. The water is not too high, thankfully, but it did start to creep up onto some driveways. And as we've all experienced, unfortunately, if anybody drives through that, it would have likely pushed water into yards, maybe into some homes. And that, of course, is certainly not a good thing. Not only did some of you deal with that in Jefferson Parish, but also thousands of Entergy customers lost power this morning. Entergy says lightning and strong winds caused more than 7,000 customers at one point to lose power. That was around 9 o'clock this morning. Crews are out and about right now across neighborhoods trying to get those lights back on, and they are working quickly. At last check, just a couple hundred customers